This is an important message for women who are married, as well as women living alone. I'm sure you know that women tend to outlive men, on average by 5 years. But here are some facts you may not know, and some reasons why long-term care planning is especially important for women. Women have 10 times the chance of reaching age 85 as men. When you live a long life, you're far more likely to need long-term care. Women over the age of 65 are twice as likely to be living alone as men. If you're married now, chances are you will be living alone at some point in the future, and it's going to come at a point in time when you're far more likely to need long-term care. If your husband does live into his 70s or 80s, chances are he'll need long-term care before you do. Many families spend their entire life savings providing that care, leaving the surviving spouse destitute. If you're a single woman now, the question you want to ask is, who will you turn to when you have a long-term care need? Maybe some long-term care insurance will allow you to avoid being a burden on your family, friends, and loved ones. A few more facts that are important and reasons why women need to do long-term care planning. Women make up 2/3 of all nursing home residents. Women are far more likely to suffer from Alzheimer's disease. And as you probably know, women provide the majority of care in America. When a spouse or family member needs care, it's the woman who says, "What can I do to help?" It's the man who typically says, "Who can I call for help?" So women clearly have a far greater chance of needing long-term care. And in fact, women today receive the majority of benefit from owning long-term care insurance. It's true. Last year, insurers paid out 65% of all their claim benefits went to women. So long-term care planning is especially important for women. If you're married, chances are it's the wife who will start the discussion, urging a husband to act, and that's okay. Here's a tip. Today, many insurers offer the ability to share, for two people to share one policy. It's called the shared care benefit. You each buy a more affordable, shorter plan of protection, but if one of you needs longer care, maybe 5 years, you're able to tap the other person's benefit. It's definitely a benefit worth looking into. If you're a woman living alone, here's a tip for you. A single woman pays the exact same for long-term care insurance protection as a single man. It would be like a bad car driver paying the same rate as a good car driver. That's a significant advantage, and it's well worth capitalizing on. If you'd like more information, if you'd like to find out what long-term care insurance costs, visit the Consumer Information Center of the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance. We've got ways to save, ratings for leading long-term care insurers, and valuable information. Just remember these words. When it comes to long-term care, a failure to plan is a plan for failure. Don't wait. Long-term care insurance will never be less expensive for you than it is today. Thanks for watching.